Hey everyone, so today we're going to be reviewing my Panasonic 27-inch stainless steel microwave trim kit. So I did purchase this about 6 months ago, and let me tell you guys, this is absolutely phenomenal. One of the cool things about this is the end result, how well it makes your microwave look in your kitchen, which is something I really like. Overall, it was very easy to install. I did install this in about 15 minutes, and if you do have a microwave and you want it to have a better aesthetic in your kitchen, not just the microwave itself, give this one a try. Highly recommend it.